Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, unlatch the side cover and slide it off the system. Identify the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Lift the assembly out of the system. Unlatch the hard drive from the assembly and slide it out. To reinstall the hard drive, slide it back into the assembly. Put the hard drive assembly back in its place and reconnect the cables. Place the side cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.